Hello, in the previous video I wasn't able to show you an assignment or how to upload one or how to complete one. So what I'll do in this video is show you how you can look at an assignment, complete an assignment and submit it. So I'm going to use my class demo account again. So I'll go into this. You can see that on the general feed it's showing that there's an assignment that's been posted, that Sam the dog. So there are two ways to view this. Either we can click on view assignment or we can click on the assignments tab. I'll use the assignments tab actually just because I think it shows you a little bit better. So when you click on assignments, it will load the list of assignments and when they're due. It'll show the due time, so this one is due tomorrow, and it'll show you how many points this is worth. So if we click into the assignment, we'll see the instructions for it. So the instructions say, draw a picture of Sam and post it on Teams, and there are 10 points available for this. Now, another thing that is really useful is that it's got the rubric. Now, if you don't know what a rubric is, the rubric is basically how do you get the points. So let's click on the rubric and see how we get the points. Okay. So for this rubric, if the quality is excellent, you get 4 points. If it's good, you get 3 points. Fair, it's 2 points, and it's poor, it's 1 point. Okay. So we need to add a picture of Sam. So what I've done is I've already got a picture of Sam, so then I can put it on. So a few ways you can do it. You can click on the new to create a new document, or you can attach. Now the attachment can be on OneDrive, it can be a link, it can be from MS Teams, or I can upload from this device. OneDrive is very similar to Google Drive. It's where everything's stored in the cloud. Link we generally wouldn't use for student assignments, and Teams is similar to OneDrive in the fact that you can save files on it. But I'm going to upload from device purely because I've got one saved. So when you click on upload from device, it opens up your files. Obviously, I've got a huge number of files on here, but I've got one that's called Sam the dog. So I'm going to click on Sam the dog. I'm going to open it, and then it will upload. It depends on the size of the file, how long it will take to upload. This one should only be a few seconds. Now that I know it's uploaded, I could hand it straight in, or you do have the option to open it in Word, open it online just to double check it, but I'm just going to hand it in. So I hand in the assignment, and now it's been sent. If you want to change this, you can undo the hand in, but it's up to you. Now that assignment, if we go to grades, will show as being unmarked. Okay. Shows it's handed in, but it's not been marked. So it would now be off to the teacher to mark it, and the teacher will be notified through a bubble up here saying that it's been handed in. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.